Hello student, I welcome you all. I am Sapna Atri and today I'll teach you a very interesting topic, expansion of proverb or expansion of idea. Now what is this expansion of idea? Students, expansion of idea is a simple and short explanation of a given topic which you have to write into 2 to 3 paragraphs. Now question is how to expand a proverb or an idea in a proper and effective way. So don't worry, here I am with certain steps, follow them and you will be able to write a proper expansion of proverb. Number 1 is find out the coded words, or in other words you can say try to understand or scan the symbols of the words in the proverb. Students, most of the proverbs, ideas, maxims, quotations are symbolic and they include certain coded words like name of a place, person, animal or object which stand as the symbol of some quality. So first of all we have to find out these coded words. For example, in the proverb, Rome was not built in a day. If you see this proverb here, Rome is the name of a place, or you can say a great city, a place which was great at one point of time. So what does Rome symbolize here? Yes, it symbolizes greatness and success. See one more example. All that glitter is not gold. Now here we have the noun gold, the metal which is very precious. So what does it stand for? It stands for precious, its value, its purity. So student, this is how you have to find out the symbols or the coded words in the proverb. Second point, replace or substitute the meaning in the idea or proverb. Students, now see how we can change or replace these coded words in proverbs or ideas to expand it properly. Rome, which stands for greatness and success, will be like this now. Greatness or success was not built in a day. All that glitter is not precious. So this is how we have to decode the symbols or the coded words to understand the meanings of the proverbs. Number 3 is illustrate the proverb with suitable example. It means after understanding or decoding the meaning of the proverb, we have to relate it with the suitable small story or any anecdote or an example. And for that, either we can take example from old fables or we can take example from the today's world. Like for this proverb, Rome was not built in a day. We can take example of Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, APJ Abdul Kalam or any of the personalities to describe that how hard they work to achieve the greatness and success. And it did not happen overnight. Point number 4, use similar proverbs and quotes and your own thoughts to make the expansion more interesting and effective. For example, for the proverb like Rome was not built in a day, you can make the use of another proverb like slow and steady win the race. And don't judge the book by its cover, for all that glitter is not gold. Number 5, summarize the paragraph. So students, just like a proper beginning, summarize the paragraph or proverb properly. You can use words like thus, so, and the proverb advises that. So I hope I have explained it properly and you have jotted down all the important points. Now let's start with an exercise. And the question is, all that glitter is not gold. Students, you can see the answer on your screen and write down this in your notebooks also. So this was it for this module. Thank you, and if you like it, do like and subscribe my channel.